Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a basic Arduino starter kit setup. So basically I'm going to guide you how to set up Arduino. I'm going to guide you how to set up Arduino so you could do your own projects. Listening to my other tutorials, you could tune in later on. So basically let me share my screen. And so as you can see, you come with a disk for the starter kit. You come with a disk for the starter kit, and you should be able to see the writing that it says here. This is basically the link you could type in to download this software. So basically, let's type in this http www.illegal.com/download. So you could visualize it here too. Now we are taken to two different apps, so we could download. So let's go to the Arduino one because that's what we're doing here, and go to the Arduino IDE where you could have three. So Windows, Mac, Linux. So I'm on a Windows now, so I'll click the Windows. And my download will begin in 3 seconds. So as you can see, my download is starting, and this process will take a few minutes, but yeah, you could do a lot with Arduino software. So Arduino is basically a program and framework where you could code and interact your code with many fun hands-on projects where you can like make a keyboard, a LCD display, an ultrasonic sensor, and even to a room temperature sensor, and many more. So Arduino is a really good platform for people who like to build. And tune into my other videos where I'll show you how to build many things, like build many things from start to the end. So I'll start with many basic project, and I'll evolve and develop from there until I get maybe to some really amazing projects that you could check out on my channel. And as you can see, it has like less seconds left. It's almost downloaded. And so remember, I could set, if you can't access it, post it in the comments. Post your question in the comments. If you have any questions for me, post in the comments and I'll be there for you. And if you can't type this link or it doesn't work, I'll also put this in the description where you could copy and paste it into the Google tab, and you'll be set. So as you can see, it downloaded. So let's open it. So first I'll take you to a folder, right? So you click this, and then you click that again. So okay, so wait, should take 36%. So as you can see here, now first you have to click on this, right? So now this should take you to a software like this. Okay, so mine is currently open, but because I already installed it. But how you install it, you could search up many things on Google or many things like that. And I think this is the basics how to do it. And you keep on clicking OK, I accept, run, and then you run, and then you will go to install page where you'll basically install it. And if you see something like this, you're all set. So here here it should look something like this. The void setup and void loop, which should already be set up for you, and you could rename your files and make your code based on that, and you'll be set for many projects that you wish to make. And so this is basically how to download this amazing software, which you could both build and program. So I hope you tune into my other videos. I'll have a lot of videos that'll that'll start from the basic and build up until like amazing projects that you can check out later on into my channel. So be sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you soon. If you have any questions, remember, you could comment on my channel. Bye.